The handset of this metal-cased combination desk set is stamped K Telegrafverkets Verkstad Nynashamn, indicating that it was manufactured in the Royal Telegraph Factory in Nynäshamn, Sweden. Now sadly replaced by a shopping centre, the factory opened in 1913 and operated for more than 90 years. This is a central battery telephone, i.e., one made for connection to a manual exchange, to which a dial has been attached in a separate housing. The numerals are on the dial's centre, rather than beneath the fingerplate, and are in the order that was used on rotary exchanges in Sweden. The dial center on most Ericsson rotary telephones produced up until the 1970s could easily be changed to accommodate different numbering schemes. Designated DE502. This telephone was made between 1921 and 1930, alongside the DE500, which was provided with a plug instead of the fixed terminal block of the 502. The mechanical bell, permanent magnet receiver, and carbon transmitter are typical of the period. An unusual feature is that the press button shunts the transmitter. Unfortunately, the cradle is somewhat bent, but it's probably best left as it is, as any attempt to restore it to its original shape could of course easily snap it. Another oddity is the baseplate markings that suggest that this might once have been a museum exhibit. And now for the demo.